The project that you see behind us is a new Uline building in Pleasant Prairie, and it's 800,000 square feet, and we sold all the high bay LED lighting there. This particular project has more than 3,000 fixtures. So it's the same base fixture, but some fixtures have longer whips on them. Some fixtures have motion sensors, so we have to keep those separate, and we do that by different color tape that identifies them. We've had the electrical contractor and a general contractor help with unloading those, staging them in our assembly location. Then we come in and set up an assembly line where we unpack the fixtures, we set them out, we have to assemble the reflector to the light engine, then we bag the fixtures because sometimes there's painting going on site, or it could be dusty. We also wear cotton gloves to keep the fingerprints off of those reflectors because they do soak up those fingerprints, and you might not see them on the ground, but as soon as you light them up, they really stand out like a sore thumb. After they're assembled and bagged, we put them on the carts. When the carts are all full, we put them in a staging location on the ground where we can go, and that's our overflow area. Then the contractor will come over with a forklift, grab the carts, and take them where they need them. On other sites where the contractor did not use the forklift, we would just pull the carts over, or the contractor would come over and grab the carts and wheel them to the area that they want to use them. And they load them up on the lifts and they hang the fixtures. It really makes it easy for them. And it also cuts down on the installation time and saves Uline money. So this is I believe the fifth project that we've done the assembly and staging for Uline. We did one last year out near Seattle, Washington. The year before we were down near Atlanta, Georgia, and we've done a couple here locally. There's a identical building right behind this one here that we did a couple years ago. And the thing about it is every time we do a project, we get a little quicker, a little smarter. We remember things that didn't go well, and we had ideas on how to make it go better. So we have a great partnership with the manufacturer and the contractor and Uline to make this go very seamlessly.